Hello, my name is Kelly Reyes. I am 28 years old. I work as a call center agent. Um, every morning, I eat my breakfast at 8 p.m. I take a shower and then I work at home until 5 p.m. Then I like to go to the candy store for a sweet. At night, I do jobs while I eat a sandwich. I talk to my family and my girlfriend. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. I like to walk. I like to ride a bike. I like to play soccer in the park. I don't like to stay at home when there is a beautiful sun. I don't like when it rains. I don't like to take out the garbage. This is my workspace, my house. I work there from the company's computer. I have a place in the living room where I have all my work things, a computer, table, chairs, and my work papers. In the month of July, I travel to the farm of my girlfriend's parents. We milk the cows. We collect eggs. We ate a lot. I also saw many animals. Rest from the noise of the city. We climbed a mountain in one day. Thanks for watching my video. See you later.